Now moving on to your navigation. So this navigation card right here, it comes standard on the GT trim levels and up, but it is sold as an accessory and it is available in every single Mazda. Simply plug it into your US or your SanDisk navigation slot next to your USBs, and it will let you know that it has been inserted. From there, you can go to your navigation menu and it will be loaded up just like so. So from this screen, if you remove the buttons from the screen, you can actually pan and move around the map using your HMI commander as a toggle, as well as zoom in and zoom out. You will notice a couple of things. It will point out gas stations for you, as well as it will let you know where there are red light cameras and speed cameras at various intersections, and it will let you know where every single Mazda dealership is. That being said, you can of course adjust what all it does show you. If you ever find yourself moved off of yourself though and not able to find yourself, simply press on the return to cockpit and it will return you back to exactly where you are. Now entering in destinations. By hitting enter, find a destination, it will let you manually enter in an address starting with the city. Now one thing you will notice is as you enter it in, it will make assumptions for you and remove some of the keys, understanding that there's only certain combinations of letters that will make an actual destination for it. So as you're entering everything in, you will notice it will make the assumptions for you. Down below, you do have your home, where you can set your home your home point, and whenever you're anywhere, you can always find the fastest way simply by clicking on the home button. Points of interest will actually let you filter by category where it is that you're looking to try to find, whether it ends up being a gas station, a restaurant, any kind of accommodations if you're on a road trip. It has everything all the way down to finance institutions where you can look for a specific bank so that you don't have to necessarily deal with paying charges for dealing with a bank that isn't necessarily your own. Lots of different things that you can play around with to be able to figure out exactly where it is that you want to go. You can of course also set favorites, and you do get some navigation info. So in things like country information, it will let you know what the various speed limits are based on highway, based on city, freeways, all of that kind of information.